Is there something different that we can do to get the information we want without hemorrhaging, without stalling, without getting the runaround in the stonewall? Because I'd like you to just say, let's open up our minds. Let's be creative, and let's try to figure out a way to solve the problem of people jerking us around, okay? So, when we're dealing with organizations, 30b-6 is a deposition about issue designation. You spend, 18, 19 seconds on it in law school? Did anybody even have an hour on it? And from my standpoint, and this is not because I've been writing a book on it for the last 15 years, but it's because I decided that this is one of the most powerful weapons there is. And what I'm hoping to do is share with you the big picture today of how you can use it in your practice. So we're going to start with what the rule is. 30b-6 is not a deposition of a person that you're saying, I want to talk to Joe Blow or the engineer or the CFO. What it is a deposition based on issues that an organization has to produce a person, someone with blood running through their veins, to answer questions on matters on which examination is requested. Okay? So what does that mean? You tell them what you want to know, and they got to tell you. Done. We can leave now. Because that's all you really need to know about what the rule is if you want to understand the rule. You don't tell them who you want, you tell them what you want to know. And it's a powerful tool. And it doesn't just apply to corporations. I keep hearing people saying, oh, we got a corporate designee deposition. No, it's not a corporate designee. It's for corporations, partnerships, governmental agencies, associations, and other entities. So this is broad. This is really broad. And here's the thing is, an association is a really broad term. It's a collection of individuals, people who come together for a common purpose. It's really broad. And you know what? It doesn't even have to be a legal entity. It doesn't have to have a legal status. How do we know this? By that really deep, heavy research it's calling reading the rule and reading the committee notes. Because in 2007, 30b-6 was revised to add the term entity, and in the notes they said, this rule is designed to reach information known or reasonably available to an organization no matter what abstract fictive concept is used to describe the organization. Now, how broad? Is there any possible way to make that any broader? Well, I can feel it out here, right? Because I've given this talk before. It says, well, wait a minute. They have to have some legal status if I'm going to sue them, right? Because you can't just sue a club or a landlord-tenant association. So what's the purpose of this? The purpose is it doesn't have to be the defendant or the plaintiff. It doesn't have to be a party. That's the thing that people don't get. It could be any organization. If you have an organization that has information you want to access,